Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Maelstrom Original with the plastic filter. So the idea is it's a great inlet solution for your tank. It's going to give you heaps of really great quality water. So we'll have a look inside. I'll show you the good stuff. I'll just unclip this lid. So inside we've got this filter. It's reversible, so either can be the inlet and either can be the overflow port. So the way it works, water comes in one side, it's going to go into this first stage filter, which is this blue plastic one here. That's got a larger aperture, so that's going to keep out anything large, so any leaves or any bigger debris. And then the water falls through, on its way through to the tank. It goes through this net here, so it's a 180 micron bag. So that's about 1/5 the diameter of a standard tank screen. So it's going to keep out really fine sediment, really fine sort of like organic matter, which means you're going to get really, really great quality water in your tank. Now, because the water's got to do a U-turn here, we're forcing the